Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we will talk about the urinary system, and please enjoy.
Hello, guys, this is Andrew speaking, and I will talk to you guys about part A of the system. So, part A is how just the two systems connect with each other in just the body system in general. So, the images that are drawn above are the urinary and circulatory systems. Today, I will be talking to you about these two systems' correlations with one another. Just to understand the basics of the urinary system, it releases urine and toxins from our body. So think of it as like a little disposable pouch. For the circulatory system, it is blood vessels that carry blood away and towards the heart. Now to fully explain to you the real connection between the urinary and circulatory system. So first we have kidneys that are supplied with blood from the cardiovascular system through the renal arteries. That's just like a main artery that we have. So our blood carries just waste and stuff or it carries the nutrients that we need for our everyday body, like the oxygen and whatever. So after that, it carries all of that waste after it is disposed from the urine. So the blood is all of it is just carried through, and well, not the blood, but the waste is just pushed out through the urine, and it just helps balance our levels and so what forth.
Hi, my name is Caroline, and I will be discussing some of the structures within your body that maintain homeostasis, as well as some pathologies that are associated with the urinary system. To begin, a structure that maintains homeostasis within your urinary system are your kidneys. The kidneys filter your blood and secrete waste into your urine. They maintain homeostasis by regulating bodily fluids. Another structure within your urinary system that maintains homeostasis is the urethra, which is the tube that releases fluid. The urethra maintains homeostasis by releasing waste from the body, so it just keeps your body clean, and that is how the urethra maintains homeostasis. To go into some pathologies that are associated with the urinary system, I'll begin with the UTI. UTI stands for urinary tract infection, and it's basically just an infection of the urinary system. They're typically pretty minor and can be treated with antibiotics. They can be prevented with a diet that includes probiotics and by urinating after intercourse. Another pathology that is associated with the urinary system is kidney stones. Kidney stones are stones that form in your kidney and must be passed through the ureters. It's typically extremely painful. The only way to heal a kidney stone is to let it pass through your body, but doctors can separate the stone while it's still inside your body to make it smaller and easier to pass. The last pathology that is associated with the urinary system that I will be discussing is nephrotic syndrome. Nephrotic syndrome occurs when the kidneys release unnecessary protein into the urine. Nephrotic syndrome is typically caused by serious issues like lupus. The only way to heal is to find out what is causing it. If it is caused by something like lupus, it can typically be treated with dialysis or with a kidney transplant.
Hi again, this is Andrew, and I will be talking to you guys about part D of how to maintain and keep the body stable or just a good urinary system. So number one, of course, is to drink a lot of water. It's really good for us, and it just helps flush everything down. So we want to flush all the dirt and toxins out of our body through the urinary system. They recommend 6 to 8 glasses of water, or a few water bottles, of course. Number two is we have to maintain a good weight. So the reason why I want to maintain a good weight is because it helps us just have a natural and healthy body for urine and blood to just flow easily and not be so tight because of the blood vessels of being overweight. Number two is just to exercise regularly, because it just helps prevent bladder problems as well as constipation, which is a problem for a lot of people who just overeat and such forth. Number four is try not to hold in your bladder, because we've all done this before. We hold our pee because we're busy and stuff, so whatever. It's not good to hold in your urine, because if you hold it too long, it weakens the muscle, which can cause bladder infections very easily. And last of all, do not drink too much coffee or alcohol. The reasons why I want to cut down drinking is because it's just excess and toxic, as of alcohol is very toxic for our system and kidneys, which can cause just failures of all some sorts. So that's just a little way to help improve the body. So what forth?